Yes guys, me there. They are going easy and wait for the bird soup to done now. I just subscribe and click the comments. I starting, I don't know where. Don't know guys, some bird water. So don't know where you go. They are going to wait for enough people. I'm time now wait for it still enough. I don't know what set up. Remember, like share, subscribe, and click the bell. They are going to continue. Now what's my brother out also? And my sister out. My sister not see. I don't know. But like, share, click the bell, comment, follow, out. Yes guys, I got check coffee pot. And the pepper ya boss now. Like to go boss. Aim that now. So your bird looking at guys. Don't know it to come on. So remember, only for love. Don't know the event. Yeah, night again. Because of fall, we know how to do it. So, this thing, guys. Yes, guys. That's my brother. This. You don't know, you go like, share, subscribe, don't forget to drop a comment. Yes, guys. So. Plastic. Then this Coco. Don't know. So it out, it will go turn out, and then we go put on the muzzle brake out on the head. So stay tuned and watch out. You see guys, one part gone already. So don't know. I'm going to see fire, I couldn't see when I hear what happened. So at night now with the time quiet, so now we hear real quietness, isn't it? Stay tuned. So and now look at some guys. So I'll deal with the muzzle breaker now. First one. So this silencer has metal and a backyard friendly. So stay tuned. So I deal with the muzzle brake. So you can cut it up with your hacksaw blade, or you can use anything on board your big round if you want. But me prefer bore them up so the oxide blade. You see me? So it suit me the way guys, so stay tuned. And that is it now guys, so bore so making a show your sound. So yes guys, we take off our fire time, I couldn't hear the sound, so don't know, stay tuned. Yes guys, take one. Yes guys, no shot. Dry fire, my dry fire guys. So you know louder than that, so I'm gonna go do now and take a shot out it. With the marble now I'm showing. So yes people, so the piece applied on my setup. Okay, right in the middle of the black spot. One that. So, yes guys, as you can see, exit. So, that's how you build the silencer. So, you don't know it. Quiet. When you say quiet, be quiet. You see me guys? So, I get back in the video. So, remember like, share, subscribe, and free to drop a comment. A whole heap of love. So yes people, then get up for Garbush early this morning after a morning the place dark. You don't know, a cold hurt me though, I can't really run in a bush when rain and fall, you don't know them really. So as I say last night, we deal with this. You see me? So as I say me sort you out. You don't complete it still. So the bottom half left to go on. As me telling you, this rifle I go use and hunt. You see me? My rifle don't fully wake it. As me telling you, a 2 week up to a month can take a week. The real way. Yes, you can't carry go hunting guys. Like he have a powder and now can shoot pan duck. You see me? But I want to wake fully. So I can take long distance shots to see gonna see them true potential, you see me? So I'm gonna use this so you can see the full potential because I have this more than a month. You see me? So this full away. You see me? That's why I set you up last night. You see me? Put on the silencer. So silencer go better for me on the hunting because you know when I see at least 1, 2, 3 bird, I can take at least 2 tight. You see me guys? So silencer up, the bottom half left we go on. You see me? Silencer up and running. You see me? Up and going. So don't know enough people. So I'm going to put on the bottom of him now. You see me? Put on the bottom off. And then I'm not going to really put on the real bottom rail on this one. You see me? As I said, this one now really left my side. You see me? This side the first one. You see me? So this goes stay up on the wall. If me not care, go on. Yeah, understand guys? So that is it. So as I'm telling you, all of them up. But if you don't understand the pipe, it doesn't make sense to go build it. Just jump up and go build them and go hunt with it. You know, go feel. You see me? And probably waste no time. Meaning you rifle go there itch and you build it good. You see me? So if orange BBC or the blue BBC is the best thing to build it on. You get fire right through. You see me? You know stick. You know give no form of problem. But the white pipe kinda work with the cold climate. You see me? So from the time get cold, it start absorb the cold. You see me? So that's why the white pipe give that such a whole heap of problem. You see me guys? So with that said, if you don't understand it, it makes sense to really build it. You see me? You're gonna make a lot of mistakes. I mean just start, believe you me, and nearly a month me take to build one way a fire right. You see me? So as you see when we used to go in the first one we can be a stick the tank in the build. You see we give on a 5 shot more while and then you just cut. You see me? Cut for a wicked. You see me guys? So you have to know how to build the tank then. You see me? So as I'm telling you with them here right there. Then it have produce until the mob be released. You see me? Long rifle design. The rifle design now, that bore, how much to put it guys? Of the fly through, the penetration power. You see me? But them have the penetration power plus the impact power to carry energy back out. You see me guys? So that is the long rifle. And believe you me, right now this littler than mine.